Hi y'all. I'm selling lip gloss and excuse my hair.
I'm selling lip gloss and excuse my hair.
I'm getting myself back together. So I have a list of things to do today and I'm gonna slowly get myself back together. It's not all gonna be today. It's gonna be in a span of like 3 to 4 days. Anyway, there's categories. Since like beginning of March, I have not been deep self-care, skincare, nails, hair. I have not been able to do that at all. I'm gonna get myself back together slowly. So let's start with hair. I have a big mistake. You know what I was supposed to do today? A brand sent me a wig and I was supposed to try it on, and it's for a TikTok deal, like it's like a brand deal thing. But I told myself the mailroom closes at 8. So I said, go before 8. It was literally on my to-do list. I said, go before 8, get the wig. If you don't get the wig, it's gonna mess up the whole system. Guess who didn't get the wig? Me. This is literally it. My friend, I dropped her food and her birthday present. Then I'm leaving her building. I'm like, it was the Holy Spirit. He said, turn right. I said, what am I turning right for? The mailroom was right there. I said, nope, I'm gonna turn left. So I'm in the middle of the gym. I look at my clock, 8:20. The mailroom closes at 8. And now my plan was to braid my hair so that the wig can fit in there. So I have to go tomorrow morning, braid my hair like in the morning. I have to wake up early tomorrow. So I'm not touching my hair today because I'm doing the whole thing tomorrow on Saturday, and I wanted my hair to be like voluminous, but not too voluminous because you already know I don't like volume. Anyway, I'm not gonna touch my hair until tomorrow. Forget that. Scratch that off the list. Face. My face has been breaking out for some reason. I have hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, and I've been using it together. And I feel like my skin is like, whoa. And if you guys can see it, it's like bumps. I just learned this but through our menstrual cycle, I'm starting next week. So the week before you start, is it the luteal phase? Follicular? I don't know. But I know it's like you feel tired, your hormones going crazy, this. So I feel like maybe it's that, but that never happens. Like I never get acne. I know for sure it's the serum. Anyway, I need to back up off the serum. Next is shaving. So I haven't shaved my legs in like 2.5 weeks. I'm gonna try waxing. Dang, why is it dim? I usually soak my legs so that my hair follicles are like ready. This is a dorm bathtub, so I don't usually just go in and like sit down because I'm not the only one that takes a shower. So I have to disinfect it first before going in there because I'm not trying to get no yeast infection. I'm not trying to get nothing. I'm gonna clean this whole thing. I usually wash my bathtub like once every 2 weeks or whenever I have masks, which is like almost every week. I'm gonna use the Comet, disinfect it. Doesn't look that dirty, but you know what? You cannot see germs like that. So I'm just gonna let it sit for 5 minutes. For the bathtub, like what I put in it so that it can be bubbly, good for my skin. But it's the Dove bubble bath. It's the lavender, and then the same thing, but this is the salt. So it's the bubble bath salt. It smells good. It's really relaxing. It's to relax, I guess. I don't know. When people say relaxing for lavender, I don't know if I feel it. If I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna use both of these and then soak my legs for like 10 to 20 minutes. Then I'm gonna use my Flamingo razor. And guess what? I got new razor heads. I got it from Target. I'm excited because I really like switching it out. Like especially when the other one is like, when the soap on the top part is like wearing out. To actually shave my legs, I'm gonna use conditioner. I wanted to try the oil thing. You know, when people say like, shave your legs with conditioner and oil, mix it together, put it on. And my legs are so sensitive, like so sensitive. My routine is particular. That's why I like take my time shaving my legs. Because if I rush, then I have to deal with the razor bumps 2 to 3 weeks. I'm not doing that. So now I think it's ready. It smells clean. I hope it's clean. I've been scrubbing it with like torching hot water. Before I get in the bath, I just thought about this. I'm gonna wash my face and put on the mask because the heat from the shower helps. It's like putting a steamer on your face. What I do first is I wash my hands because I don't know what I touched. With dry face, I mean my hands are a little bit wet from when I washed it, but I put it straight on my face. Mostly on my cheeks because that's where I had problems, especially like that T-zone where around my nose, like up here, and then weirdly right here. But I think it's because of the face products, because that gives you acne if you leave your hair too much and stuff like that. This is a thing I've been doing a little bit. I started doing it. I used to do it before and it helped me. So I leave it for like a minute like just sitting on my face, especially this part. Usually if I have something to do, I like walk around, get something. I try to get my hands not too dirty. Okay, after it's been like, you know, 30 seconds, a minute, I wash it with like warm to cold water, and then I finish with with cold. But since I'm putting face mask, I'm just gonna wash my face with the warm before putting on the face mask. It's supposed to be like dry clean. I'm gonna use my favorite mask of all time. It's the ordinary salicylic mask, the 2% mask. Especially like if you have bumps here, you know, like those acne that's like under the skin. You don't see it, but it just feels like it, and your skin looks textured because it's trying to get out. This helps. Oh, I'm gonna use about this much. I put mostly around my nose. So I know I look crazy, but these are the spots that need it. Like the rest of my face don't need it, and I'm not gonna like mess it up. The only thing is this mask is supposed to be for 5 minutes, so I messed up big time. I'm gonna be 20 minutes in there. So now I have to wait for this to dry, and then I'm gonna go in. My skin feels so much softer. I feel like there's a layer of like moisture. Like I feel nothing, no bumps. So I'm gonna finish off CeraVe moisture cream. So it's the one that's in a bucket, but I like getting things that are travel size because, you know, I could travel with it and it's just easier. So I take about that much. Last time I got a little bit thinking that's enough for me. It's a whole vibe in this room. I've got my LED lamp, but it's stuck on purple, so I can't find the remote. And I'm about to move out soon, so what's the point of getting another? I forgot to put apple cider vinegar. Oh, it's in the kitchen. Apple cider vinegar is really good for you to soak in, especially, you know, all the girls, all my ladies. Soaking in it actually like regulates your pH balance and like helps you, like if you have, not only, you can do it for whenever, but it's to prevent odor, and it just like kind of cleanses it. It's like in the natural way. Usually I soak my feet in apple cider vinegar and it works. I don't remember my last time my shoes smelled. Obviously there's like a slight tint to smells, but it's never been bad. Cause even the nail salons, they don't do it like really good. They do my nails really good, but they don't like clean it really good. I try to detox it by myself. Usually I have my iPad or my phone. But story time, I went to work and I left my charger and my phone's on 17% and I need my alarm and stuff for tomorrow morning. So tomorrow morning I'm gonna run, get the charger. This Dove bath and bath salt combo smells bomb. My skin feels so soft. It's like that slippery soft. Shave my legs here, and I'm gonna use it's a Suave, just like natural conditioner. I'm gonna exfoliate with the mango one, and then I'm gonna use my exfoliating rag. So I'm gonna exfoliate, shave, exfoliate. I always do that sandwich. It works for me. Never get strawberry legs, razor bumps, nothing. It's the best combo. Okay, maybe I might look at my phone just a little. I just came out the shower. It's literally like 12 o'clock. I got carried away. I was in there just in the bathtub having a relax. I shaved my legs. Exfoliate, shave, exfoliate. And then my face started sweating so much from the heat. I have to wash my face and put moisturizer again. I'm gonna put my Amlactin all over my body. I might put this on tomorrow so that, you know, my legs are shiny and glowy. At nighttime to smell good, I usually put the champagne toast. I don't really like Bath & Body Works, but this is the best one. But I don't even wear that during daytime. So put all of these things and I'm gonna go to bed. And then I'm gonna continue this video. It's not just gonna end here. I'm gonna do like recording when I get my nails done, toes done. I'm probably gonna do my toes tomorrow, but I'm leaving home 8 a.m. Like my ride is leaving 8 a.m. Light packing. I'm literally gone for Saturday, coming back Sunday morning. Our culture shows that day. So I barely have to pack. I just have to pack all my hair stuff because I didn't wanna pick up the wig today. Do everything off, but see you guys tomorrow. Ooh. I'm home. I came home today. So yesterday was Thursday, that's when I did all my shaving stuff, and then today's Friday. I'm home. I made flaxseed gel. I boiled it. I usually use a cup of flaxseed and 2 cups of water. So whatever the flaxseed is, I use double the amount. Let it sit for a while. It became cold. When it became a gel, I put it on my hair, and now I left it in for 30 minutes. So right now I'm gonna wash my hair. I brought all my styling stuff to wash my hair. I left all my stuff there. So basically all I need is shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, which I have conditioner just to detangle. I don't even like like this conditioner. It's too thin for me. Leah has deep conditioner. This deep conditioner is so good. It's the Mael Rosemary Hair Mask. You already know the ginger one is my favorite because that thing I just know it does stuff to my hair. My hair has been stronger the past months more than ever. If you're trying to see something, a new deep conditioner. So I'm gonna go wash my hair. Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening Shampoo. The Suave, the Curly Hair Natural Shea Butter Pure Coconut Oil Conditioner. The Mael Rosemary Hair Mask. So I'll be right back. I don't know if I mentioned this. Flaxseed is really good for your hair. So it brings shine. So the whole thing for black flaxseed is like shine. So you can use flaxseed as like your gel after you're leaving your cream and then you put your flaxseed. You can also do that, but I like putting it as a mask. Right now I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm gonna wash my hair, do homework, go to bed. Now I'm gonna show you guys what nails I get tomorrow morning from my favorite nail tech. Her and her sister know their thing. I don't know who trained them, but they know how to melt the nail so that it looks like part of your nails. You know what I mean? Do you get what I mean? So I just wash my hair, shampoo, condition, deep condition, all of that. And the leave-in I use is the same Mael leave-in conditioner, and it's the scent Hawaiian Ginger. I love the smell, but as I mentioned bajillion times, it's just like a good base. I wouldn't say it's the best leave-in conditioner. I want to start looking for better leave-in conditioners. So if you do have suggestions, leave in the comments because I really want just like a new one that's like has a lot of slip. Just a good base. I just put in all the leave-in conditioner. Now I'm gonna put the curl cream, and it's the curl cream. I just love how thick it is, and it really just puts all my curls together. Boom, that much. What makes my curls stay that way? It's the olive oil, which is my favorite. I used to hate Eco Gels, but once I used that olive oil one, I've never stopped. So what I do is I put it in a really tight bun. I'm gonna stop doing these because it's a lot of manipulation to the hair, like every week, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna start just doing this only for special occasions. So ooh, no, not on the floor. I'm gonna go change, get ready for bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow when I do my nails. So, I'm on my way to the nail salon. It's 9 a.m. Or, my nail salon appointment's at 9. But now I'm going, it's currently like 8:46. I'll let you guys come and see what kind of nails I get. I'm excited because I haven't had nails in like a month, I don't know, that I liked in a long time. I love my nails. Do you guys see this? It's longer than I usually do it, and I wanted this light color, yellow, light yellow. It kind of looks green. Probably my favorite nails that I've done in a while. But the reason I'm doing my nails and my toes is because in the next 4 weeks, I have like 5 events to go to. I can do my own toes. I was just thinking about it. I'm like, literally, I could get all this stuff and do it, but I don't have time. I just wanted to look cute and get my stuff done so that, you know, when I'm typing, I'm like, I feel clean, my toes look clean. And the nail salon, they know how to paint toes. That's one thing. I don't like how my curls are drying. Something about it feels off, but we'll be good. To be honest, I don't know what color I want it. I might do this yellow for my toes if they have it, but I usually do regular polish. It works for me. I've never done gel. I actually just found out people do gel on their toes like last year. Mine literally lasts a month and I do regular polish. I got coffee from 7-Eleven because I have the coffee headache when I don't. I'm gonna see what color I get. I'm not gonna get too crazy. Not too much though. Not too much. Okay, so I want to show you guys the wedding look, what I'm gonna wear. So I'm wearing like this flowy dress. It's my sister's. I didn't have a dress literally until like today. I don't even look, I ordered one, but it doesn't look wedding-y. So if you want to elongate your curls, like what I did was I put it in pieces and then I put it like on the root, if you guys can see, so that I can like keep it flat. It can elongate my curls. But anyway, this is my makeup look. And I got these like black sandals that I could wear. Not like, you know, the one that you could just slip on. So everything done. That was successful. We did it. I came back with my afar bati. Yeah, like, cause the only thing is like outfit changes. It was so quick, and I was 4 dances back to back. I was running, and then I couldn't find scarves and like the things like accessories that we did. My gold! I left my gold bracelet in the bathroom, so I have to get that, but it's okay. I feel like someone will get it because someone was like, oh, like who dropped their gold bracelet? And I was like, me. So it's okay, hopefully it's there. But right now my sister is actually waiting for me downstairs and we're gonna go out to eat. So I have to go, but thanks for watching. Come again.